How to check someone's TikTok following list. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Click on the person's profile you want to check following off. Simply open their profile and then click on the following list. Click on following and you will be able to see their following. As you can see, following list is hidden, so I'm not able to open their following. To see your own profile, go to profile at the bottom right and go to your following at the top. If people have hidden, simply to see that, go to profile, 3 lines at the top right, then click on settings and privacy. Go to privacy, which is the second option. In privacy, there is following list. Click on it. And after you make the following list, only you won't be able to see following list. So if people have done this, you won't be able to see their following list. This is how to check someone's TikTok following list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.